Pool Payday can lose game sounds even when your phone's other apps play audio normally. And the quickest fix is usually checking the game's own sound settings first. By the end, you'll know which settings to check, how to restart Pool Payday correctly, and what to try if the sound is still missing. Start inside Pool Payday. Open the game settings and look for sound, music, or audio controls. Make sure game sound is enabled and the volume controls are turned up. If music and effects have separate switches, check both because one can be disabled while the other still works. Next, check your phone's volume settings. Play a round of Pool Payday while adjusting the media volume rather than the ringtone volume. On Android, use the volume buttons and expand the volume panel if necessary. On iPhone, adjust the volume while Pool Payday is open so you are changing the active media volume. Also check silent and mute settings. On iPhone, make sure the ring silent switch or action button setting is not preventing game audio. On Android, check Do Not Disturb and any sound mode that could be limiting media audio. If you use Bluetooth headphones, earbuds, a car stereo, or another wireless device, disconnect it temporarily. Audio may be playing through that device instead of the phone speaker. After disconnecting it, reopen Pool Payday and test the sound again. If the settings look correct, completely close Pool Payday and open it again. Do not just leave the game running in the background. On Android, you can open recent apps and swipe Pool Payday away. On iPhone, open the app switcher and remove the game. Then launch it again. If that does not work, restart the phone. A full restart can clear a temporary audio or app state problem without changing your game account. You should also check the App Store for a Pool Payday update. If an update is available, install it and test the game again. An outdated app can behave differently after changes to the phone's operating system or other system components. If Pool Payday still has no sound, test another app using the phone speaker. If other apps are also silent, the problem is probably outside Pool Payday. If other apps have sound but Pool Payday does not, focus on the game's settings, app restart, update, and reinstall options. So, check Pool Payday's audio controls, verify your phone's media volume and output device, then restart and update the app. Your next step is to test the game with Bluetooth disconnected and the phone's media volume turned up. If this fixed your sound problem, like the video and subscribe for more Pool Payday fixes.